Welcome to Wonders of Nature, where we explore the natural wonders of our planet. Today, we will embark on a journey to discover one of the most magical forests in the world, the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is not just a forest, but the lungs of our planet. Covering an area of over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon stretches across 9 South American countries, with more than 390 billion trees, creating an incredibly rich ecosystem. It is home to millions of plant and animal species, many of which have yet to be discovered. The Amazon rainforest is not only distinguished by its towering ancient trees, but also by its incredibly diverse and rich ecosystem. From the tiny creatures hidden within the foliage to the large, dangerous animals, all of them contribute to a vibrant and fascinating web of life. The long-tailed monkeys, cute and intelligent primates, are among the characteristic species of the Amazon rainforest. They live in large groups, moving nimbly between the tree canopies in search of food, while also contributing to the distinctive sounds of the forest. The Amazon is home to many species of primates, from long-tailed monkeys and spider monkeys to other species like gibbons. Among the predators of the Amazon rainforest, the jaguar is one of the most mysterious and powerful rulers. As a carnivorous animal, they are skilled hunters, with exceptional camouflage abilities and incredibly stealthy movements. With their sleek black fur and bright yellow eyes, jaguars are a source of fear for the smaller animals in the forest. One cannot overlook the anaconda, the largest snake in the world, which can grow up to 9 meters long and weigh over 200 kilograms. With its muscular body and incredible strength, it is a formidable predator in the aquatic environments of the Amazon. Anacondas primarily hunt large animals such as wild pigs, deer, and even caimans. The Amazon is also a paradise for colorful bird species. The toucan, with its long, brightly colored beak, is one of the forest's iconic symbols. Additionally, the Amazon parrot, with its striking green and red feathers, is equally prominent. These birds not only attract attention with their beauty but also play an important role in maintaining the ecological balance of the Amazon rainforest, helping to disperse seeds and sustain plant diversity. Not only are there animals, but the plant life in the Amazon is also incredibly diverse and rich. Here, we can find species such as palm trees, valuable hardwoods, rubber trees, and many other plants that are unique to the Amazon. These plants not only provide shade for the animals but also help maintain humidity and regulate the climate of the region. In particular, the trees of the Amazon play a crucial role in maintaining the planet's carbon cycle, as they absorb large amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere. And let's not forget the essential insects in the Amazon ecosystem. From beetles that help decompose organic matter to mosquitoes and butterflies that pollinate flowers, they all contribute to the nutrient cycle of the forest. Their diversity is not only in terms of species but also in the ecological roles they play. But the concerning reality is that the Amazon rainforest is facing the threat of destruction. Every day, thousands of hectares of forest are destroyed by illegal logging, agriculture, and mining. The Amazon not only provides oxygen and absorbs CO2, but it also plays a crucial role in stabilizing the global climate. Its disappearance would have serious consequences for ecosystems and the climate worldwide. The Amazon rainforest is one of nature's most valuable treasures. Let's join together to protect and preserve its beauty so that future generations can experience its wonders. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting videos about the natural world. See you in the next adventure.